The Apple Watch Series 10 marks a significant milestone in smartwatch innovation, introducing a plethora of groundbreaking features, enhancements, and design refinements. At its core, the S10 processor delivers a 30% boost in processing power, facilitating seamless app navigation and multitasking. The Advanced Health Suite offers comprehensive monitoring, including enhanced ECG, blood oxygen tracking, sleep monitoring, and menstrual cycle tracking. The refined design boasts slimmer bezels, vibrant display options, and durable construction, ensuring a sleek and sturdy wearable experience. Additionally, the Apple Watch Series 10 revolutionizes fitness tracking with improved GPS, automatic workout detection, personalized coaching, and social sharing capabilities. With up to 36 hours of battery life and effortless integration with iOS devices, this smartwatch is poised to captivate both tech-savvy individuals and fitness enthusiasts, redefining the boundaries of wearable technology. Larger screen, new sizes. The Apple Watch Series 10 boasts a significantly larger screen, elevating user experience to new heights. Available in two new sizes, 42mm and 46mm, this latest iteration offers a more personalized fit for diverse wrist sizes. The expanded display area facilitates effortless navigation, enhanced readability, and a more engaging visual experience. With a wider range of size options, users can tailor their Apple Watch to suit their style and comfort preferences, ensuring a seamless fusion of form and function. This thoughtful design refinement redefines the smartwatch experience. Sleeker design. The Apple Watch Series 10 showcases a stunning redesign, combining a larger screen with a remarkably thinner and lighter profile. Measuring mere millimeters in thickness, this sleek iteration sheds grams of weight, ensuring effortless wearability. The reduced bulk and refined ergonomics make it an ideal companion for both daily activities and high-intensity workouts. With its slimmed-down silhouette, the Apple Watch Series 10 disappears on the wrist, providing a distraction-free experience that seamlessly blends style, comfort, and functionality. This masterful redesign elevates the smartwatch experience, redefining the boundaries of wearable technology. Advanced health features. The Apple Watch Series 10 revolutionizes sleep health monitoring with its pioneering sleep apnea detection feature. Utilizing advanced algorithms and machine learning, this innovative feature accurately identifies episodes of sleep apnea, providing users with invaluable insights into their nocturnal well-being. By tracking duration, frequency, and severity, users can better understand their sleep patterns, enabling proactive management and improved overall health. This cutting-edge feature seamlessly integrates with the Apple Watch's existing sleep tracking capabilities, empowering users to take control of their sleep health like never before and wake up to a healthier tomorrow. New design elements. The Apple Watch Series 10 unveils a sophisticated design evolution, featuring a breathtaking new metal back that exudes premium elegance. Additionally, a sleek black color option joins the palette, offering users unparalleled personalization possibilities. This striking hue perfectly complements the watch's refined lines and precision-cut edges, creating a timeless aesthetic that suits diverse tastes. With an expanded range of finishes and band options, users can tailor their Apple Watch to reflect their unique style, from understated sophistication to bold statement-making. Availability and pricing. Save the date. The Apple Watch Series 10 is set to launch on Friday, September 20th, marking a new era in smartwatch technology. Priced to impress, the standard model starts at an unbeatable $3.89, while the premium titanium edition begins at $6.99, offering unparalleled value. As the release approaches, stay tuned for our comprehensive review and hands-on experience with this groundbreaking device. Get ready to discover the cutting-edge features, sleek design, and innovative capabilities that make the Apple Watch Series 10 a game-changer in the world of wearable technology.